So this is the IME 100 lab that the students are going to use to build their projects and to collaborate with their teams on their design. We have a drill press here. Sometimes they use that, but most of the time we already have things prefabricated so they don't have to drill, but if they want to, it's here for them to use. Over here is the robot play area where when they assemble their robots, the team will come over here and they will practice the skills that are required as part of the class that their robot has to be able to demonstrate. And then at the end of the course, they have a competition between the teams to see which robot performs the best. And as you can see, there's different types of obstacle courses and little balls their robot has to pick up and put in a certain place, and they do that here. And then on this side, we have they're called Laguna milling machines. And this is where they drill out their coasters that they make. They put a little design in their CAD program, and then they learn how to program the CAD to put on the machine that will mill out their design they made on their coasters. And over here we have work tables for the students to clean up their coasters and their woodworking projects. When they're finished on these milling machines, they'll come over here and they will sand them down and make them all nice and smoothed out. On this machine over here is called a Cam Master, and it's another cutting machine, but it's much larger, so it's mainly done for bigger pieces. And over here we have some more what I call support machines. This is a wood cutting saw which has a miter capability as well. So it's a very versatile saw that students can use to cut various pieces of wood at whatever shape they want. And then over here are just a couple of more drill presses. Over here is a Haas lathe, and over here is a Haas milling machine. And these are primarily used for metal pieces. So again, the first robotics team is the one that is primarily using these machines at the moment. But if an IME 100 student has a project that they want to cut some metal as part of their robot, for example, they can use these machines. And then these machines over here are for strength and tensile testing, and I believe we have some 3D printing capability as well, but they don't usually use those. We have, like I said, we have another lab that's down the hall where they actually do their 3D printed parts for this class. And that's the lab.